Today I am going to present my views on the burning topic of value based education in a regular school curriculum. Well, we know that the students these days are losing moral values, and it is very important to inculcate these values right at the beginning when a child is admitted in the school. Value based education comprises of character development, personality development, citizenship development, and most importantly, spiritual development. Some people think that personality is an inborn character of a child and it can never be changed. However, I strongly differ here. Regular emphasis personality development session can definitely make a radical change in the personality of a child. Well, values are not confined to certain limits. However, some important components of values are responsibility, sincerity, cooperation, respect towards others. Very important these days is scientific temperament, sensitivity, tolerance, especially towards religion. The need of value education in today's scenario of 21st century is even more important because of the presence of technology and its adverse effects. But by teaching children about the essential human values, we can equip them with best digital skills and help them understand the importance of ethical behavior and cultivating compassion towards each other and towards society. Value education also provides students with a positive outlook of life and motivates them to become responsible citizens who are ready to help others in need and respect their community. Youngsters these days go through a grueling system of education which is almost unending. Right from when parents send them to kindergarten at a tender age of 3 to 4 years till they complete their graduation, there is a constant bombardment of information on them. Apart from that, there is constant peer pressure and never ending expectations of the parents. Here again, the students lose the true meaning of education. Now, here value education becomes very crucial. Thus, it becomes very important to embed value based education in regular school curriculum. The focus should be made that the students are learning important values and academics simultaneously. As an educationist, I have successfully implemented such lesson planning and have found drastic differences in the learning abilities of the students. We have always emphasized on the motto of becoming good over great. It is very much important to be successful, but it is far more required to be an empathetic and understanding human being who understands and values the needs of others in the society. Thank you.